Hey guys, what is up? Today we'll be going through a easy way to send a mail merge. What is a mail merge? A mail merge is a fast and quick way of sending multiple emails in one shot. In order to send a mail merge, all you need is the message in Word, contact list in Excel, and a program to actually send the email out, which we'll use in Outlook. In order for this to work, you need to be using the same version of all these products. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our contact list, which is have here. So we have all the contacts that we would like to send out to a list. So in this Excel spreadsheet, in the first column A, we have the names of the individuals and the emails. All right, so the first line is supposed to be the header, so we have to make sure that we have headers. And one of the key headers that we need is email. So make sure one of the columns is labeled with an email. After that, we're going to construct our message. Here we have a simple message that Jim is going to send out for a new SaaS product he's going to launch. And Jim needs to send out an invitation for meetings to set up demos for his clients. So in order for us to get started, we open up Microsoft Word. From here, we'll go to mailing. Then we'll select Start Mail Merge. Since we're going to send an email, we'll click on Email. At this point, we want to connect the Microsoft Word file to the Excel file to get those contacts. So from there, we select Recipients. We're going to use an existing list that we created, and then we're going to navigate to that list. That list, I have it on my desktop in a folder called Mail Merge. I connect it via clicking the Excel file, click on Open. And from there, I select the sheet that the contacts are on. At this point, I want to make sure that each email is personalized. So I want to put the individual's name as a field. So from there, after hi, I would like to insert the individual's name. I will click on Insert Field, Name, and then here, click on Insert. At this point, I'm pretty much ready to send that email out. The last thing that we need to do is finish and merge. So we click on this icon here and send email. Remember in the Excel file, we had a column called email. So Microsoft Word will automatically find that header once it's labeled email. We select that and we put in a subject line. It could be demo soon. And from there, we click on OK. Once we click OK, we'll see all the emails being sent automatically. Everything is being utilized and sent through Outlook. And it was very simple, straightforward, and easy. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, send me any comments for this video. Feel free to subscribe because we're going to be looking at a lot of productivity tools in the upcoming weeks. All right. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day.